and welcome back to another reaction video. Today we're going to be watching this 31-second long rocking chair scary pop-up. Jack's here with me today, and we've done lots of videos actually. I know in my last video, Scary Animations Part 4, 5 I mean, didn't actually it didn't work. Well, we didn't actually finish it because, I don't know, it's just that Christmas one, it didn't seem like it needed to be finished. So guys, let's get straight into it and start watching. So put this on full screen and stare into it, guys.
Yeah, just next is the scary office one with like a goose.
What? Oh God! What the heck? Ah!
Oh yeah. I watched that one. That got me.
Oh God!
I watched that one. That got me.
No! No! I just finished watching that poltergeist one. What? I know that thing wasn't even real. I mean, somebody was just pulling a fishing line or something, and then they just.
Wait, Tristan, can I tell you the story of the scariest video I've ever seen?
No.
No, please.
Okay, I'm just gonna put cute cat videos.
Yes.
Get my mind off it.
Okay, so Alfie put it on, and then it was a pause, and then this dude just came along the screen and said, "Boo!"
Are you ready? Yes. Aww. Okay, that's just getting my mind off the poltergeist. Is that kind of... Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, my baby.
Look, it's so cute.
I can do it.
Sprinkle cat.
Oh, how... That looked like that looked like they were very high.
Oh.
God. Ninja Commando style. That could be a movie. What?
Oh, it's so cute.
Wait, let's go make Roxanne and Tessa watch that video.
Oh, yes.
Wait, we just want to watch this one, please.
Oh.
It's kind of scary. Looks like a panda. Let me in!
Okay, guys.
Get out of my box.
Okay, guys. Now we're gonna make Roxanne. Now that's off my mind. We're gonna make Roxanne and her friend Tessa watch that poltergeist video. So guys, we're here. I'm gonna.
It's scary. Sorry.
So guys, we're back. You're on YouTube. Okay, guys. So she's gonna be watching it. Okay. Okay, guys, that thing scared the heck out of me.
Good job, guys, on editing and using an aircon.
That was
too fast.
yeah, guys. So it's just like yeah. So I found that scary. Don't know what they did, but still, honestly, I just like to chase them forward. It's like oh yeah, okay. Ghost activity.
Tristan, we need to find a scary video for them.
Okay. Goodbye, guys.